Do you know which country has this shape? It's Egypt. Egypt is one of the oldest civilizations on Earth, a country where ancient history and modern life meet along the banks of a single life-giving river. Egypt is located in North Africa, with a small but significant part of its territory in Western Asia through the Sinai Peninsula. It borders Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, Israel and Palestine to the northeast, and is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Red Sea to the east. The country's geography is dominated by deserts, including the Western Desert and the Eastern Desert. The Nile River runs through the heart of Egypt from south to north, and is the most important geographical feature of the country. Nearly the entire population lives along the Nile Valley and Delta, where fertile land contrasts sharply with the surrounding arid landscape. Egypt's climate is mostly hot and dry, with very little rainfall throughout the year. The capital city of Egypt is Cairo, one of the largest metropolitan areas in Africa and the Middle East. Egypt covers an area of just over 1 million square kilometers and has a population of more than 110 million people, making it the most populous country in the Arab world. The official language is Arabic, and the national currency is the Egyptian pound. Egypt plays a key role in the region due to its population size, strategic location, and political influence. Egyptian civilization began over 5,000 years ago along the Nile River, where predictable flooding allowed agriculture to flourish. Ancient Egypt became famous for its pharaohs, pyramids, temples, and advanced knowledge of architecture, medicine, and astronomy. Over the centuries, Egypt was ruled by various powers, including the Persians, Greeks, Romans, and later Arab and Ottoman rulers. In the modern era, Egypt gained independence from British influence in the mid-20th century. Since then, the country has played a central role in Middle Eastern and African politics, shaped by periods of reform, revolution, and regional leadership. Egypt's population is predominantly Arab, with a strong cultural identity shaped by history, religion, and tradition. Islam is the dominant religion, while Christianity, particularly the Coptic Orthodox Church, represents an important minority. Egyptian culture is known for its rich traditions in music, cinema, literature, and cuisine, which have influenced the wider Arab world. Family ties, hospitality, and social customs remain central to daily life. At the same time, Egypt's large cities reflect a mix of ancient heritage and modern urban challenges. Egypt has a diverse economy compared to many countries in the region. Key sectors include agriculture, manufacturing, energy, tourism, and services. The Nile continues to support agriculture, particularly the production of crops such as wheat, rice, and cotton. Tourism has historically been one of Egypt's most important sources of income, driven by its ancient monuments and Red Sea resorts. Egypt also benefits from the Suez Canal, one of the world's most important shipping routes, which connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea and generates significant revenue for the country. Modern Egypt faces major challenges, including rapid population growth, economic pressure, and climate-related risks such as water scarcity. At the same time, the country is investing in infrastructure, new cities, energy projects, and economic reforms aimed at long-term stability. Egypt's strategic location, historical legacy, and regional influence continue to shape its role on the global stage. This was Egypt, a country shaped by the Nile, ancient civilization, and a unique position between Africa and the Middle East. Which country should we explore next? Leave your suggestion in the comments and join us on this journey around the world.